We have an important announcement. Classes will be held at an amusement park today. Check out more interesting ideas on our channel, Pick a Trick. Subscribe and learn new life hacks and fun recipes. Follow the link in the description. We are the champions of this amusement park. Who has more tickets? Oh, Mr. Sebastian takes all our winnings away. The only ticket we have in class is this ruler. Clean a bendy ruler with nail polish remover. Cut it to be shaped like a strip of tickets. Add perforation dots with a permanent marker. And write "Ticket" on the back side of the ruler so it's mirrored. Cover it with masking tape on top. Cut the tape to fit the ruler. The only thing you can do with these tickets is draw a straight line, but this ruler is definitely unique. Hold on, where did all of our tickets go? Our teacher doesn't waste any time. Now he has a new toy. My pencil is broken. What bad timing. Thank goodness the blue-eyed girl has a pencil sharpening car. Cut a car shape out of an eraser. Cut the parts of a car out of half a plastic egg. Make a hole in the back with the tip of a hot glue gun. And hot glue a pencil sharpener into it. Attach the piece to the eraser. Fill the inside with hot glue. Shape headlights with glittery hot glue. Cut the top off a glue cap. This is the steering wheel. Attach it to the car. Color the car with acrylic paints. Attach a wire antenna to the back. Coat the car with clear nail polish. Tin quickly sharpens his pencil. But while he was erasing, he got nostalgic about his career as a race car driver at an amusement park. Sharp turns. Dangerous maneuvers. Accidents on the track? Hey, Lightning McQueen, wake up! We have to get back to work. Oh no! Tin got a low grade. He's about to explode. He needs to relax. What could be better than whacking some bears? Cut 8 holes in the bottom of an old box. Coat the box with acrylic paint. Apply hot glue to the edges of the holes and pour glitter over them. Hot glue pen springs inside the cap so they fit the holes. Attach plastic bears to the springs. Assemble the box. Cover the sides with corrugated cardboard. Attach a label with the name of the game to the back. Fill the hole in a thread bobbin with hot glue. Attach the bobbin to a pen so you get a mallet. Color the bobbin with acrylic paint. Hot glue rubber details to the sides and decorate it with a pipe cleaner. Is this a mini version of the arcade game? Feel my hit, bears! It worked! Tin whacks all the bears and calms down. Check out your hammer.
Wow!
This is a pen that will help you fix your mistakes on your test. It's time for eating candy in class. Are you kidding me? That's not allowed. Hey, Tin, look what I have. This is a notebook full of candies. Wrap the cover of a notebook in decorative cardboard. Trace a plastic half sphere on glittery foam paper. Outline a 3D candy machine. Cut it out and bend the sides. Cut out a hole in the half sphere with a heated utility knife. Attach metallic tape to the details. Attach the half sphere on top. Add details and fill the candy machine with M&Ms. My candy machine is free! Eat as much as you want! And we will tell the teacher that this is just a notebook. It's allowed! The teacher is lonely and sad. The classroom is empty. All the students are at an amusement park. Here they come. They are an hour late. We'll make up for it. We brought you a souvenir. It's a desktop Ferris wheel. Take some sticks out of a detachable hamster wheel. Leave only 6. Color the body with acrylic paint and coat it with acrylic polish. Decorate it with sequins and rhinestones. Put a stick in the middle. Superglue chopsticks to the plugs at an angle. Sprinkle the glue with baking soda to keep it secure. Make a base out of chopsticks. Place the wheel onto the base. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach decorative hearts to the plugs. Put a thread into an earring hook clasp and attach it to a little pot. Decorate it with self-adhesive half beads. Put school supplies into the pots and hang them onto the wheel. Paper clips, sticky notes, and push pins? Take your seats! Enjoy your ride on this amazing Ferris wheel of school supplies! This is also a very useful ride! Mr. Sebastian needs some sticky notes from the 3rd cabin. Time for art class! Hey, Tin! Check out my unusual ride! It's a carousel with pencils! Make holes in a hamster wheel all the way around using the heated tip of a hot glue gun. Wrap the wheel in glittery foam paper. Poke holes with scissors. Pass a string of battery-powered lights through and fasten it. Stick a straw into the center. Cut colored pencils and attach them to toy animals. Glue on thick lace around the perimeter of the wheel. Make it look like a fence on a carousel. Stick the pencils with toys into the holes. Make a roof out of cardboard. Bend it along the outline sections and glue it. Attach a stick to the center. Set the stick into the straw on the carousel. Color the roof with acrylic paint. Decorate it with a pom-pom trim. Choose any animal and draw. Even our strict teacher remembers his childhood. He wonders how his favorite horse from the carousel is doing. Mr. Sebastian, wake up! You have to teach! Did you like our fun school supplies? Then write in the comments what you'd want to bring to school. A carousel, a Ferris wheel, or a candy machine? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fun back to school ideas from Troom.